So in this video we'll be doing the advent of Cyber 3 from TryHackMe. So this room starts from December 1st and it will be continuing daily for 25 days. So one challenge each day. So it is a free room and you don't need any subscription to play this. So let's go and do this. So you can read all of this up to 5 tasks. It contains a story which can be interesting. So for now we'll be doing the day 1 task. So we'll be learning about these objectives, IDOR vulnerability and finding these IDOR vulnerabilities, and finally a challenge. So IDOR stands for Insecure Direct Object Reference, and the website is treating the resources anything as an object. So there should be some access control over that, and due to lack of proper access control, this IDOR vulnerability exists. So now we can see here, this is the URL, the HTTPS website.thm, and profile. There is a parameter id is equals to 23. So here 23 stands for the id of this profile. Now if you send this request, the web server identifies this id is equals to 23. So you are this user. So 23 is you, and 22 may be others, and 24 may be another person. And you can change this id and send this to the server like id is equals to 25. And if the web server fetches you and give you the content, then that means there is no proper access control over these resources. Then this leads to IDOR vulnerabilities. And you can also brute force this id parameter from 0 to like say 30 or 50, and you can get if you see any okay response, so that means you got some data. So you can also see the IDOR vulnerability in cookies. If you decode these cookies, and it will be resolved to user ID is equals to 9. So you can change this cookie and again re-encode them and send this to the web server. So that is about this IDOR. Simply changing these parameter values and trying to fuzz the values gives you some okay response. Okay. So this is the so click on view side. So you don't have any machine to power on, so you don't need any Kali Linux to do this. You can do in the browser. Click on builds, click on inventory, and click on your activity, and here you can see employee id is equals to 11 and the name is Mexkiddy junior toy tester. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to 0 and user not found. So let's go and delete this one and save 1 and hit enter, and you can see we got the access. We got the information of this employee ID, Santa the boss. So he looks like the admin, and the questions they have been asking here are about this. After finding Santa's account, what is their position in the company? So here the position of the Santa is the boss. Now change this to 2, user not found, change this to 3. So it will be very easy if you can first this one. So it looks like a virtual host. So let's change this to 4, not found. Let's change this to 5. Let's change this to 6. And at the user ID 9 we have an employee Grinch and mischief manager. So he might be the one who tampered the data, and the position is the mischief manager. So here we have some action that says revert, so it might change the actions back. So revert this, revert everything, and you get the final flag. So this is the IDOR vulnerability walkthrough of the advent of Cyber 3 day 1. So that is about this IDOR vulnerability. You just find the thing that is the thing is able to identify the user, and you try to change that, and if you get the positive response, then that means IDOR exists.